Welcome back. Now that we know more about the dashboard, we are ready to examine the shell and see how we can code in Jupyter. The field you see here is called a cell. You can access a cell by pressing Enter. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the cursor, so you can start typing code. The gray box is called the input field. I will put a short code that says X is a list composed of 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, I can ask the computer to print this list for me by typing X. I can execute these commands in 2 ways. The first one is to hold Control and then press Enter. By doing this, the machine will execute the code in the cell, and I will stay there, meaning I will not field moves along with its input cell. Lovely! Instead of carrying out a command with Shift and Enter, you might prefer clicking on this button with the mouse. The result will be the same. What is interesting is that when you work with more complex code that requires tougher calculations from the computer, while running the code, a little star will appear over here before the square brackets. Sometimes this process might take too long to complete, so to stop it or break it, this classical stop symbol can do that for you. 3 other shortcuts could accelerate your coding a lot. Suppose I have selected this cell. After I press the A key, a new empty cell will be inserted above. If I select the same cell and press B, another cell will be created just below. Imagine the last step there are 2 advantages of using Jupyter. First, when your code becomes longer, Markdown cells turn out to be useful, as they allow you to leave comments and explain the solution you've created. This is why practitioners love to use them. The other benefit of using this app is you can select and execute whichever cell you want to. You need not run all the previous cells to run a particular cell. This allows for solving a problem in pieces and saves a lot of computation time. Okay, everyone, this was a long but indispensable lesson. Thank you for watching.